already cooked my fried octopus, eggplant, and bell pepper with ketchup or yogurt. Ayan. Tikman natin kung ano, crispy. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Crispy. Fresh from our garden. Just now I get down from our fields. So I make only 2. Mashallah, very big. And also this green capsicum. My langga, he broke this one here. You see, he broke already. So what I will do for this one is I have to peel out using this peeler. Tali, tayo langga. Langga, oh! Nawakan ni langga ang kamay ko. Ano ba to? Do not get. Now I have 2 pieces here. Next, what I have to do is must be cut all hair. And also like this same also, I cut like this. So ito na yung ano, yung octopus na ano, eggplant and then bell pepper. 4 lang yung ano gawin ko. So dito merong 3 tablespoon all-purpose flour and 3 tablespoon of corn flour. If you have cornstarch, then much better, but I don't have, so I use corn flour. And then if you have this crispy mix in socket, in Philippines that is available, but here no. So I use this corn flour and all-purpose flour. And this 1 egg we keep also here, mix, and black pepper powder and salt. And I have this also breadcrumbs. I don't have this breadcrumbs, so what I did is I make this one toast, and then in pan, then I make broke like this. I make grind like this. So we have to mix now this one. If no enough, then we can add water. Consistency must be not too much water. It's like when you are making this pancake. So we have to add more water. This one for bell pepper. Now already hot this oil, so now we have to put like this here in breadcrumbs, and then we have to fry it. Must be we have to put more breadcrumbs so it will become crispy. Then we have to fry it. Bismillah. And then next, now we have to put this one here.